How to download TikTok Lite on Android. Now you know that we have the native TikTok application right here. And let's say we also want to have the TikTok Lite application. Now in order to download the TikTok Lite application, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Play Store or your App Store. This is not the TikTok Lite, but instead we'll go to search bar and just type in TikTok Lite. Keep in mind that TikTok Lite is actually only available on Android phones, so iPhones does not have this. So you go to TikTok Lite, you can see save data from TikTok Private Limited. Now you can just tap on the install button and let it begin with the download, as well as also the installation process, and the application will be successfully downloaded and installed on your Android phone. This way you will be able to download TikTok Lite on Android. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.